Team 272, this is Cyber Crusaders for Red Alliance, looking to balance on that charge station as Team 341 does the same for our Blue Alliance. All of our robots have action in autonomous, and now those drivers are stepping forward, taking those controls. We're going to see Team 272, the Cyber Crusaders, working on grabbing that cube off of the ground. Team 33, the Pascack working on grabbing that cube from their feeder station. As Team 341 looks to place that cone onto that upper node, and it does fall as Team 4467 comes flying back with a cone of their own. Heading down towards that red line side of the field, Team 5401, that's the Fighting Robotic House, placing that cone onto that middle outer node, completing a link for that Red Alliance. As a reminder, a link is 3 game pieces placed next to each other, and our alliances need 5 of those to gain an additional ranking point. As our Blue Alliance completed their first link as well, courtesy of Team 341, Miss Daisy. With just about 80 seconds left to go here, it looks like we have all of our robots in motion. Team 5401 grabs that cube from the center of the field, joined by Team 272 of our Red Alliance. 5401 places that cone down low as Team 272 places it high. On their lines, Team 533 has that last cube needed to complete that link. Down our blue side of the Team 4467 has that last name piece for the entire upper row to finish, which is 3 links for our Blue Alliance. As we get down to 30 seconds left, some of our teams will stop scoring and begin to balance on those charge stations for additional ranking links. Heading down towards our Blue Alliance side of the field, Team 4467 placing another cone onto that grid. And that whistle means that we are in endgame as Team 272, the Cyber Crusaders, placing another cone onto that Red Alliance grid. As we have Team 533 already balanced, joined by their partner Team 272. It looks like 5401 is going to join them as well. Down on our blue side of the field, Team 341, that's Miss Daisy. That charge station, see if any of our partners can get up with 1 second. We will see what the referees decide for our scores here at the end of this match.